afternoon, YouTube. On a bright, relatively warm Monday afternoon, the 10th of October. I'm just off now for a quick bimble round. This is a tester for my new lid in the setup I've got to see how it works out. I've also got my new screen on the lowest setting to see how I get on with that. But because I've got a new lid, everything's probably changed anyway on it. So it's going to be testing now different setups for my camera mount and obviously the screen to see which is going to work best. I'm off now. I'm going to head out towards Burnham, possibly Brean Down. And if it's not too windy, which I don't think it is, I might go to see if I can get the drone up. I've got it on me. I can already tell I think the screen's no good at the level I've got it. I'm only doing 40 and I can feel it. It's a different shaped helmet as well. That's all going to make a difference to how it reacts. Well, give it a test, see how it goes. And the problem's going to be I might not be able to put the screen up at the moment because I've got LED lights on the front and they're going over the top of the front screen, the bit which adjusts. I'm going to have to take them off. So I don't think I'll be doing that bit today, unfortunately. I forgot to do me waistcoat up after I stopped just now. To pull over and do that when I can. Pull over up here in this lay-by, do me waistcoat. I'll do it round here in a minute actually. Stop here, I might struggle to pull back out because of traffic. Bus stop up here in a minute, I'll pull in there and do my waistcoat. And sit back and enjoy the ride. I think I'm going to have a lot of wind noise at this level with the screen. So this is all trial and error at the moment. I've got to seat my mic properly for the camera as well inside the lid. So I don't know what the camera angle is going to be like. I might have to raise it a little bit. Going to be a case, if you're watching this, it's come out reasonably well. Should have done that, filter to the front. But I was a bit too far back once the lights changed. That's warm. I think I would have got away without a sweatshirt. I don't think my earplugs are in properly because I can hear the engine note from my bike, which I don't normally hear. I've got no real wind noise. And it's 60, this isn't too bad actually, the screen on this setting. It's whether I'm going to have any wind noise on my footage. Little bit of buffeting, but nothing extraordinary. Going out this way next month for Burnham Carnival, weather permitting. Right, so head out to Brean Down. Oh, that is a warm one. I definitely would have got away with just a t-shirt. Been a while since I've been out here. Got another 20-mile-an-hour merchant. For fuck's sake. It's not just the one up front. This one's slowed down to bloody 20 now. Well, they must have done. It's going to be ever so quiet out here, I reckon, this time of year. That's how warm it is. There's people still walking around in shorts and t-shirts. Going through Brean. See how I feel when I got here. I might grab a coffee. If they're open. Which this time of year they might not be. Cut across country going back, I think, to pick up the A38. Could go that way, which I might do. They're quite busy. Considering the time of year. Mind you, the weather is good. It's quite mild for the time of year, really. I'm just going to have to assess the wind now, whether I think it's going to be safe to get the drone up or not. Looking at that flag, I don't think it's going to be. I'll decide when I get there. Still quite a few people out here, look. Unless they're parked there all year round, which I suppose they might be. I'm not going to get through where I should do, because I have before, so I just got to get the angle. Right, I'm here. See if I could get the drone up.